I walked through shadows deep and cold, felt the weight of 1,000 stones, but still you held me close. Oh, your whispers calm my raging sea. Your light broke through my darkest dreams. You never let me go. Your mercy never ends. Like rivers it transcends every broken road I've been. Your love, your love, your love, it covers me again, covers me again. When doubt had carved its place in me and hope was just a memory, your grace became my song. Quiet rest. You've been here all along. You've been here all along. Oh, your mercy never ends. Like rivers it transcends every broken road